Hello everyone, welcome back to Work of Art. Happy to see you guys back. I just had to restart my video because I had one of my dogs on the couch who started to, and I had a sleeveless shirt, and she started to like get all excited and start scratching my shoulder. So I've got like all these scratch marks. So I had to go put a different shirt on, put her out in the other part of the house so she can go be quiet for a while. So I think she knows that she was being a little bit rough, but she was just wanting to get up here and play with me and all that. And so anyway, so we're back to my beginning of my video, which was all about my Lancôme gift purchase products that I ordered and what I'm going to be using today in my makeup look. So I'll show you what I purchased. This is my Savon Fresh shower gel. It's an amazing, yummy, creamy, or not creamy, it's like a green, fresh, soft smell. It's so nice. I worked in spas for years when I worked for Lancôme, and back my first big job actually, back 30 years ago. So when I was 20 years old, and I'm 49 now. So anyway, so this one is still a favorite, and I just love it. So yeah, that's what I bought for my qualification to get my gift purchase. And then I also got the I want to get a highlighter that would really show up on fair skin. So this is Shimmering Buff Dual Finish Highlighter, and it's a very creamy, nice, soft one. So we will see how that works out once I get my other colors on. So I'd already started. I had foundation on that I put on already. I'm wearing the Teint Idole Ultra Wear Makeup Stick SPF 21. So that's what I have on for my foundation. And I used my Effacernes concealer on my lid as a primer. And a little bit of product is kind of creased a bit, so I'll just kind of like pat it in place and pick up the excess product there, and we'll apply the shadow on top of that. And I also have my Maquicomplet concealer as well, which can be a really nice brightener in the eye area. So we'll kind of play with that a little bit. So this is a really small compact, and it's called Spring Crush Color Design Palette. And because it's so small, I'm going to have to use smaller brushes because the bigger brushes don't even like really, it'll fit just barely in that one there. So I'll go ahead and do that one again. I just started doing that when my dog started to want to climb up on me and get all excited. And she's really sweet. She just doesn't know her own strength with those talons she has for toenails. These are really soft blending brush just to kind of get some pigment started in there. Make sure I've got them even on both sides. It's pretty good. And then I'm going to find some other brushes to use all these other colors, which are kind of fun. So this darker color here on the end, which is kind of sparkly. It's like it's going to be a darker shade, so we'll see. I haven't played with this yet, so yeah, this is definitely a darker one. The outer corner, so I'll just pack that on the outer corner, outer half of the lid. Because there's so much sparkle in there, I'm pressing it down into the base so it doesn't get dropsy. I haven't had any dropsies yet, so that's a good thing. You don't want a whole lot of fallout when you're getting ready to go to work. So we'll go in now with the this kind of pale peachy color here for the inner corner to brighten the inner corner of the eye. Just grab, let's see. That is pretty. It might be a little bit still too dark for me, so I'll just go ahead and do the other side again, and then put another highlighter around top of that to brighten it up a little bit more. So there's the pinky kind of shimmer one. And then let's go into the palest color here. Lighten that up a bit. They do really fun shadow colors, shadow palettes in Lancôme. So there's that part of it. And then we'll go with a softer brush going to pick up, I'm kind of scared to try this one here. Just like a lot of glitter and all that. So I'll just do the slightest color on the brow bone. If that doesn't work, I'll use the highlighter from my highlighter purchase. So this is a little bit more pink in it. This is pretty actually, so we'll just keep on going with this one here for the brow bone. So kind of a smoky, kind of, I'm surprised this has as much pink in it as it does. It looks kind of more peachy and kind of brown tone to me, but yeah, it's pretty. It's kind of fun. So it's always fun. So there's that. And then I'm going to, what do I want to do next? Let's go ahead and do the kind of brighten under my eye area, because then as I do my highlighter, some of this can still end up on the brow bone there, and that will give a little more grabbing to the powder. Maquicomplet is a creamier one in a wand with a doe foot applicator. So now I have a little bit more brightness under my eye area, quite a bit actually, so that's kind of nice. And then we'll go ahead and do the highlighter and see how that one looks. How that works. Really icy looking. I always highlight before I do my blush, because that way I just have started layered on top of blush. So do a little bit in the forehead to brighten a little bit. Bridge the nose. Cupid's bow. So there is that. And if I wanted to, I think I might do a little bit just on the brow bone to kind of, again, lighten that up a little bit. So we'll grab some of this highlighter and lighten up yeah, there we go. Brush the shimmer out of my eyebrows. And then for liner, in the kit, in the gift that I got, they just had a black eyeliner in there, so I'll go ahead and use that. It's the Crayon Kohl in Black Ebony. These are the pencil ones that you sharpen. And Kohl is generally a softer kind of product, so it's easy to blend it in once it's on the skin, because the skin's warm. Watching the Olympics lately, really into all of our kind of cold weather sports and people that I've been watching for years. And so I'm wearing kind of like icy colors and the icy highlighter, and kind of goes with the whole winter theme. That's that, and I'll go ahead and line up my eyes as well. Actually, I'll do the inner line instead. Let's do the waterline. Got the tight line done, or the waterline done. And then I have the couple different things to play with. Now I just got the Monsieur Big mascara in my gift. I'm going to go ahead and do the Cils Booster first because this is actually the one that gives you like more conditioned lashes, a little more fullness. So there is that. A little too much on those lashes right there. Brush that out. And then in case Mr. Big is too thick, then I also have my Definisil. So I've got lots of products to play with here. Okay, so this is basically a really big wand. It reminds me of the Too Faced mascara and also the what's the other one? Lash Paradise, those brushes. This is putting on a lot of product, which is really good. I like thicker lashes and lots of fullness. Yeah, that looks pretty good. That's a great mascara. The name is so funny. Can you tell I'm right-handed? I'm right-handed. Quite a big wand for the lower lashes. So you can see my eyes closed, have the shadows kind of stacked up together. And then I'm going to get some blush on. And the blush that I picked out actually for my gift choice, again, I've worn years ago, and it's called Rose Fresque. It's so pretty. It's a really pretty soft color, and I did not have a brush for that, so I'll go grab a brush really fast. And magically I found this is an old style brush from Lancôme, but this is a really soft natural bristle brush. So now we're going to meld the blush into the highlighter. So pretty and soft, I like that. And then the lip color that they had in the gift set, I'm not sure about this one. This is really bright, and it's not really a color that I would normally wear. Right now I'm wearing the it's a Natural Beauty lipstick from Lancôme, from their color design. This one here is, I'm not sure what the formula is, but anyway, it's Magenta. So we'll go ahead and do it, and we'll just see if we like it, see how it wears. Tiny little thing. Very bright. It's very bright. So, not sure. Again, I'll have to look into the formula on this and see if it's going to be more of a matte one, or if it's going to stay kind of creamy, how long it takes to set, and how the wear is. So anyway, kind of fun. So it's always good to play with